With shahada, if there is a witnessing, there can be two sides of shahada. If you are appearing in a case in the court, either you are witnessing against somebody or in favor of somebody. Shahada le, shahada ala. In Arabic always, if it is against, it is ala. If it is in favor of somebody, it is le. For example, Al-Quranu hujjatun laka or alayka. A very famous saying of the Prophet ﷺ. This Quran is an argument, either for you, in favor of you, or against you. Al-Quranu hujjatun laka, in your favor, or alayka, or against you. Why? If you read Quran, if you follow Quran, if you act upon Quran, if you make it your imam and your leader, وَجْعَلْهُ لَنَا إِمَامًا وَنُورًا وَهُدًى وَرَحْمَةً, then it is an argument in your favor on the Day of Judgment. Oh Allah, this bondsman of yours used to read me, used to recite me, used to ponder over me, used to understand me, used to act upon me, he had made me his leader, his imam. So he is for you on the Day of Judgment. Or alayka, or against you. Oh Allah, this wicked person, he said that he believed in me, he never read me. He gathered all the knowledge from the east and the west, never tried to understand me. This will be the testimony of Quran against you on the Day of Judgment. He was a liar when he said that I believe in Quran. He could never learn that much Arabic so as to be able to understand me directly.